This handsome epoxy installation focuses on its 16th century Spanish Renaissance-style geometric pattern in brass inlay, complemented by simple linear patterns across the public corridors that enhance the views. An appealing, understated design that accomplishes a great deal with two colors, the well-executed project is a credit to the installer. The installation includes poured-in-place cove base in the cafe and precast base in the remainder of the building. It also has terrazzo elevator cabs, precast epoxy terrazzo stairs, and cement terrazzo exterior stairs. Brass terrazzo strips in 3/8 inch and 1/8 inch were used throughout the project. To install the precast bench bases on a radius using standard precast base, the contractor used a 55-gallon drum heater laid flat and sandwiched between two pieces of precast base to distribute the heat more evenly and prevent the bent base from breaking. To correct for concrete landings that were poured too high for the 112 precast interior steps, the craftsman infilled each step, and when the handrails were extended too far, they trimmed 20 steps. Grinding the brass inlays presented further challenges that they also successfully overcame. An honor award for this first-class project at the University of San Diego goes to T.B. Pennick & Sons of San Diego.